Okay guys, we're here at 3436 Virginia Road in Los Angeles, California, 90016. This is a 4-inch cleanout we're going through. And this is the camera after a spot repair that needed to be done by the 4x6 transition. Ended up installing a lot more ABS plastic pipe than we expected, but it needed to be done. There we go. Perfect. This is now the 6-inch clay pipe in the center of the street. Got a little debris on the lens there. I'm trying to get to the city connection here. There we go. Spot repair was a success. Everything looks like it's in good working condition.